On this video I'm about ready to show you, I just got done replacing the hub on the car. One of the studs had broken, and so I had to replace the hub. Now I'm only replacing the hub on the broken side. If the hub had been squeaking or making noises, then I would replace them on both sides, but I only replace them on this side. A lot of times I recommend you replace both, but I'm not going to at this point. But was actually a fairly simple job. When you do this, make sure you get a, obviously a hub that works for the car, but you'll want to get a replacement nut. You don't want to reuse the nut on that. You can, sometimes they do recommend the covers be replaced. I've never replaced them. It's not a big deal. All it is a dust shield. And it's a 36 millimeter socket for this. So hub and nut is all you'll need. I did have a breaker bar, and then I had an extender, which you'll see in the video, to get this off. And you'll need a torque wrench to set it back at 254 pound-feet of torque. It was actually harder to get the two nuts holding the caliper bracket off than it was to get the hub off. But less than an hour, completely redid the brakes. At the same time, put new rotors, pads. Video's coming up. You should not have to put grease on a new hub. It should come pre-greased. I always grease them anyways. And but if you do, if you look at this here, this says Ford. Make sure you get the Ford grease. There's actually a difference between Ford, Chevy, and stuff like Ford and Chevy. I don't know foreign at all. So this is sealed here. So the only place you would put grease would be in that groove there. Always buy a new nut when you do this on a car. Always don't reuse the nut if you're forced to place the hub. 250 foot-pounds on the torque.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.